Welcome back to Tam's Classy Creations, the channel where we break down projects so even a beginner can do it. Hello friends, I have a customer who wants their favorite Under Armour shorts repaired. It's a pretty simple repair, but I wanted to bring you along so you can see how it's done. Heck, maybe you could even save some money next time and do your own repair. Well, I won't waste any more of your time. Let's get into the video. Now here is the tear we're going to be fixing. I have put some white behind the tear so you could just see how bad that tear really is. Now we're going to be making a patch with heat and bond, and I did find some other black sweatshirt material just like the shorts are made out of, so the patch will be soft like the shorts. Now I take a piece of heat and bond, the sticky side down, and we will iron it on the top of the sweatshirt material. So with the iron, you do about 6 seconds each time you move it. So once I get that on the sweatshirt material, I'll cut it down a little bit to the size that I think will fit here good. So I've cut it to about 1.25 inches. So next I need to take this paper off my material, and we need to place it up here and make sure it's center. We don't want a lot of extra material, but we need enough. So what I will be doing is working this to get it to lay as flat as I can and to not have a lot. Use these threads here to fill in this little bit. Now when I press it, after I get this all done, I will be pressing it. When I press it, because some little spots will have that heat and bond, I will cover it with a pressing sheet before I do. So I have it pretty well fixed on here on the heat and bond, but up here is pretty close. It didn't shred a lot, so I can do one stitch, but I think what I'm going to do is zigzag down one side and then zigzag down the other side to kind of hold it, or this will all come off if I don't. Now I have the zigzag set for a 5, and I have my stitch length probably a 2. I decided to make my zigzag down and go up only because it's easier to get it underneath the sewing machine. So I have finished. Again, I have 2 rows of zigzag only. Now I need to cut this excess off. And maybe give it a final press, and there you go. I hope you enjoyed this repair video. Now you have an idea on how these tear repairs are done. Well, that's all I have for you. This one is short and sweet. Let me know some of your sewing repair tricks in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.